Hey y'all, it's another episode of Tomboy Beauty. I'm Amy Harber. That's all the places that you can find me. What? This looks completely different? That's right, because this is the first episode of Tomboy Beauty with Sephora Play. Yes, I've added it to the lineup. Yeah, it replaced something else, but yeah. I've still got Birchbox and Ipsy, but it replaced something else. If you figured out, you'll let me know. So, what's cool here is Sephora Play. You get a bag, and it's got like 5 things in it, and then it's got like 50 points that if you use to shop at Sephora, they put it in your account. So, let's get to the cool products. It's the first bag, so I want to get into it. So, yeah. Sephora Play coming to the lineup. Okay, so it comes with, like I said, 50 Beauty Insider points if you use it in the store that month. And then it's got like this fold out thing. And the theme is Next Gen Beauty. It's the season's most buzzed about beauty. Puts a focus on innovation. Talks about tech that protects your skin, ingredient upgrades. It's all these little fun facts. And then you turn it over and it tells you about the products that are in your little bag. So, first off, the bag. It's environmentally friendly packaging. It's, you can put like things in it. But it's also recyclable. So, there's that. Opens bag, pours out samples. High five self. That's me high-fiving myself. Yay. But anyway, you didn't come to see me high-five myself. You want to see the products. So, let's see. Now, one of the themes on the Next Gen Beauty was ingredient upgrades. Hungarian thermal water, which apparently nurtures and hydrates with vital nutrients. Well, guess what? The Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian thermal water, mineral-rich atomic heat mask. Yes. What makes atomic mineral-rich thermal water innovative? Well, I guess it hydrates your skin and infuses it with vital nutrients to get rid of fine lines, wrinkles, stuff like that. So I'm excited to try that. So the mask heats up when it's on your face, which seems really scary, but hey, let's try it. Then we have Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. So it's an advanced water cream that brightens, hydrates, and plumps your skin. It's a moisturizer. And it smells like the ocean. It's incredible. No wonder they call it Tidal. Then we have Radical Reviver. It's a replenishing primer. It's called Hangover. It's by Too Faced. It creates a perfect canvas for makeup. I love primers. Sometimes I just wear primer by itself without even foundation. So love that. Multitasking products. Okay, this is the Not Just Lip Service by Nudestix. It's a lip and cheek pencil. It's in Kiss. I've already got lip color on, but let's... I don't know, let's make an ombre effect. And then, there we go, a little cheek color. Ooh. There we go, cheek color. So, multitasking. I love, like, if I have to pack a bag for the day, so I'll pack, like, a little bag like this. Whoop, there went the bag. I'll pack a little bag like this. Well, it's actually probably an Ipsy bag or something. But I don't want to carry everything, so I like to carry like 1 or 2 or 3 products and multitask with them. And this is freaking awesome. Then,
We have Buildable Breakthrough. It's from Sephora's online. It's Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara in black. Bold, thick lashes with maximum definition. And it's got, I always pronounce it wrong, jojoba oil that keeps your mascara from flaking, because I hate that. I hated it when I had contacts. I hate it now, even though I've had LASIK and I don't need contacts. But flaky mascara getting in your eye is one of the most painful things ever. So, and then, finally, there's a bonus this month. It's Eau against, or is it Eau Day? Yeah, Eau Day. My French is awful. I've had Rosetta Stone, and I still am not better at French. It's Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb Nectar Perfume, which it's an explosive scent that combines delicate floral bouquet with smoky and metallic notes. It's very me. I mean, it's floral, but then it's also a little edgy, which is completely me. And I'm loving it. Yeah, so there's all my wonderful first time with Sephora Play. And I'm already loving it. Yay! Fun times. So, you know what the deal is. Follow me and stay beautiful.